Here's the truth. If you haven't done a hands-on evaluation, your forklift drivers are not OSHA certified. It doesn't matter how many videos they watched. It doesn't matter if they passed the written test. If nobody's watched them drive, you're wide open to fines, lawsuits, and liability. OSHA requires 3 things: classroom training, practical training, and a hands-on performance evaluation. That last one is the most important and the most skipped step, and the #1 reason companies fail audits. The evaluation isn't hard. It's simply watching your operators check the forklift, move loads, steer safely, and document that they can handle the real work. Do it right, and you're covered. Do it wrong, or skip it, and you're exposed. Smart managers don't cut corners here. They protect their people, their business, and their reputation by making sure evaluations are done, documented, and ready for OSHA. At CertifyMe.Net, we make this simple. Our program gives you the training plus printable checklists and step-by-step evaluation guides so you can certify with confidence. No gaps, no guesswork. Click below to certify smarter, stay compliant, and keep your people safe.